out. So in today's video, what I thought we would do is go ahead and get the sub installed in the box for the Mini. Still waiting on the amp, but it should be here in the next day or two. So before we get into that, as y'all probably can see already, the garage got a bit of an upgrade. Still got a little bit more touch-up paint to do in here, but for the most part, it looks a lot better. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the sub I decided to go with is a DS18 6.5 inch subwoofer, 4 ohm, 600 watts. Got some papers and stickers. All right, this is the sub. Very small, thick magnet. Got a little bit of weight to it. And for some of y'all that didn't see or don't know what we're putting this in, this is the custom box that I built for the Mini about a couple weeks back now. So yeah, let's go ahead and get the sub installed and we'll see how everything turns out. All right, so how I'm gonna wire my sub and how everybody wires a sub to get the most power out of it. I'm gonna be bridging the 2 positives and the 2 negatives together at the speaker, and when I run it inside the box, one side will be the power and then I will run one side will be the ground and then I'll run the power separately sized, if that make any kind of sense. But yeah, you'll see how I do it. This is just a regular speaker wire. Ground on this side. Power. Then run it across and grab ground and power on this side. I should just separate these. Okay, that's simple. Now that is bridged at the speaker, I would run power to one side and ground to the other side inside the box. So as you can see, I got the wires ran from the box to both sides of the sub. So it'll be like 2 powers, 2 grounds on this side and a power, and 2 powers on this side and the ground. So now all I have to do is install the sub into the box, and then when the amp comes, connect the amp to the side, and that'll be it. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the sub installed in the box right now. All right, so I got the sub installed in the box. It's not perfectly centered like I want it, but I can always move that. But for now, since I'm waiting on the amp still, I'm a little impatient, so I want to go ahead and test fit it in the car just to see how it looks. All right, y'all, so the amp came in. Oh, I'll tell you what it is. It is a DS18, same like the sub. 1000 watt RMS. It's FRX 1K, Class D monoblock. I only run Class D monoblocks. This is what we got in the packaging. Got a bass knob there. Wiring for the bass knob. And a small little amp. All right, let's get this installed so I can close this video out. All right, y'all, so as y'all see, I got everything hooked up except for the air tank. I gotta put that in another time. I'm gonna redo the wiring to the amp because I'm gonna try to hide as many wires as I can to that amp. I'm gonna move the ground and you know, just clean it up, make it look a lot better. But yeah, I'm not gonna do all that in this video. But I think that's gonna do it for this video. Definitely got a lot more content on the way, so y'all stay tuned, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.